Being a certified firm to me is a big differentiator because being able to say that, okay, we're a certified firm with the IICrC, and IICrC is an international organization, and being certified in IICrC, you're following the same standard of care that every reputable restoration company internationally follows.
There's a lot of companies that do what we do, but then all of them are not certified. So it just gives you a leg up. You have to meet certain criteria to become a certified firm. I know you have to be insured, you got to be licensed, you got to be bonded. That assures your customers, the customer base, that you are a credible company and organization, and that puts them at ease to do business with you.
Well, we've been IICR certified for about 20 years. We always feel it's been a great advantage. It helps us to be trained in a higher level, a higher standard for our industry. It gives us credibility, professionalism, education. All of those things go together to make quality of service better.
We have a way to learn through the people that have been in the industry for forever, and they're out there, they're creating these guidelines of what we should follow to make it all centric, and everyone should be following the same thing. I've been able to tackle on jobs that I wouldn't have because I didn't know what I was doing, but because of the certifications that I have and the knowledge that I receive from those certifications, there's not a job that I can't do.
I'm able to say in our website that we are a certified firm, and we can link it directly to the IICrC website, and that can list specifically, what fields I'm certified for. Of course, the IICrC website itself, it also helps because we do have people who go to the IICrC website to look for a certified firm, and they've called us from there.
The IICrC has established itself as a credible source for information in our field. So if you plan to be in this field, it's the only place to go to get the information you need to be successful.